Hey best friend, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this food flyer design on your smartphone. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewer, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's tutorial. So if you check this video description, you will find image used in the tutorial there. So download these images and I will show you the step and how to use it. So after this, let's move down to our background palette and let's choose background from our phone gallery. So this will be our background. So after we successfully load our background, let's delete this default and let's add the text. So on this text, we'll go to text palette and edit it as earthly foods. The age will be in capital letter. Also the after this, the font of this will be in my font palette, but to not waste our time for searching for it, I will have saved it as a browse style. So if you want to get this font also, you can get it through a video that I made how to make OG logos. So if you check this video description, you will find free 3,000 link fonts there. So download it, it is among them, and I think this font also comes with Pixellab Pro. So just resize this food and let's place it somewhere around there. The next thing that we have to add, that we add the text without changing the font. I've edited this already, so let me just paste it. You can see always continue the climb. It is possible for you to do whatever you choose. So that's just like description. You can change the description for you. And note guys, I will also drop the PLP file in the description. Watch this very carefully to the end to get the password. Let's just go for the alignment. Align it and let's resize it. So it will be somewhere around here, and let's make it more taller. So bring it somewhere around there, and the next thing, let's add from our phone gallery. It will be this board. So just resize this to 100 and let's send it to back, and also the height. Just send it to back. So this is how we place that. The next thing, we add another text, and this text I also save it as a browse. We just have to edit it as save or all of this will be in capital letter, and let's position it over here. Let's change this font also. It's just normal font. So after this, let's copy this and edit it as a percent off. Let's just, for example, 50% off. So let's move it to the middle a little bit. So guys, after we are done with this, save up to 50% of, we have to add from our phone gallery, and it will be this shadow effect. Yeah, so just resize it 100 and send it to back. Don't forget to send it to back. You can see if you leave it like this, it does not make sense. Yeah, just send it to back, and let's add the last text image from our phone gallery. It will be this. Just have to resize this to 100 and you are done. Yeah, so guys, you can see how beautiful and amazing this is. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.